So this is something which was asked, I think during my Google interview, and although they don't ask it anymore, it's still, there's a variation of this problem that still gets asked a lot, which requires you to recursion to solve it. So problem is you're given a 2D array and where 1 represents an island and 0 represents the water, and you're supposed to count the number of islands. So you just have to, so the way to solve it is to traverse the 2D array, and at the same time, whenever you visit an island, make sure you're able to count all the neighbors too. So for example, for this one, you can see that there are just 2 places where the entire island is covered by water. So essentially the output is 1. And here you can count like we had, I think 3 places. So here the output is 3. So in that way, we are keeping account of the number of islands. So yeah, let me start int. So we'll use this to keep track of the number of islands, and next we'll just traverse through the list. So yeah, we're just traversing through all the values in the 2D array. So if we increment the count, and then we visit the island, the neighboring island. So let me create a helper method for it. So the way it would work is that the first thing we'd need to do is to find the where to end the recursive function. So here the base case would be if 0 or m greater than equal to or n is less than 0. I can add one more condition here, so grid. So essentially, if you have anywhere outside the 2D array or the value is not equal to 1, we're just exiting the checks for the neighboring islands. So to indicate that we have visited it, so let me try this. We can add this grid. So this is just to mark it as visited. And now we just need to recursively call. So basically, if you read the problem, it just says that there are 2 ways we could move. One is horizontally or vertically. So, there are 4 directions essentially that we can move. So let me try that. And here we just return the count. Okay, so just to confirm, the solution is we're keeping a track, we're just visiting all of the 2D array, keeping a count of the number of times we encounter one. And if we encounter one, we visit the, oh, we haven't called the function, yeah. Yes, sorry, I'm taking a little bit of time without ID. Visit item. So we pass the grid I, comma, J. So yeah, we're essentially visiting the island, and here we're keeping track of the number of times we're encountering one, and as soon as we encounter it, we are visiting all the neighboring cell locations. So let's see. Ooh, what are you doing? Oh, once more. And submit. So yeah, I think our solution is beating 89%. So yeah, thank you for joining.